and I'm a student, so I get a gift card for a laptop. Okay, I'm looking for a laptop for 6th grade now, and now we're trying to figure out the color. I don't know what to choose. I guess I'll go around and look at it. Yeah, like a grayish. 14 inches. Black. White.
Gray ones. That's like a little darker gray.
I got the space gray laptop for my 6th grade. Now we're walking. Guess what, guys? My mom gave me her Apple Watch and she got the new one. We're gonna be unboxing Apple products. Let's see. Oh, not this one. This is my mom's. And she wants to unbox that, which is totally fair. So we'll put that to the side for now. Oh, and we're gonna be unboxing a MacBook Air. But if it's for a student, for like school, you get a $150 gift card.
Cool.
That's pretty good. Now we're gonna be unboxing this baby. Whoa, this is heavy. Okay, let's see. How are we supposed to do this? So we're just supposed to pull. Satisfying. Ooh, that satisfied me enough. Now we're just gonna open it. Whoa. I'm about to drop it. Yo, this is sick. Just take some time to admire this L. Okay. I don't want to drop it. Be very careful with this. Look at this thing, bro. I can make an ASMR video about it.
There's nothing like a new Apple product.
Feels nice. Feels cold and nice. Okay. Guessing. Oh. Okay, so this is the actual laptop. This is like the plug and stuff, you know. I'm just gonna first take off these. That's that. Oh. Okay. I just took it out like this. Yo! This is so cool! Oh my god. I love you.
Congratulations on your first laptop.
Mine forever, buddy.
Happy 6th grade, buddy.
Yeah! Let's go. You got my laptop set up. I'm a happy camper.